Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of Peak State Mathematics. We're looking at the parallel lines and perpendicular lines unit here. We're going to take a moment and do some equation writing, and specifically looking at transformation form. Now, if this is something new to you, it is the equation y equals m times the quantity x minus h plus k. This is super helpful later on in mathematics, and it's kind of a common way that we're going to see anything in transformation form where we can identify quickly how far it is moved to the left or right, that's your h value, or how far up or down it's moved, your k value. That m out in front for the linear we know is our slope, so it's easy to find the slope here. It's also our vertical stretch more generically when we look into like algebra 2, again, a very common type of form we're going to see later on in mathematics. And if we have slope and a point, it's easy to write the equation. So here's an example you might see in algebra 2 just to show you how common this might be. Absolute value equation here. That a tells us the vertical stretch. The h tells us movements left and right, so that horizontal shift. And the plus k is going to tell us our vertical shift up and down. So let's apply this and actually write the equation for a line that passes through 5, negative 3 with a slope of 2. So using our equation, we're going to plug in the 2 for our m, plug in the 5 for our h, and plug in the negative 3 for our k. Once we simplify this, we see y equals 2 times the quantity x minus 5 minus 3. So again, if we thought about this more in an algebra 2 kind of way, which again you'll see later on in mathematics, you can think of this as a linear function that has a vertical stretch of 2, or in other words, a slope of 2, that is shifted horizontally, or to the right in this case, 5 units, and vertically down 3 units. So super helpful later on. Go ahead and practice a couple more of these so you get used to transformation form, and remember, always learn in a peak state. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.